New at 6, a Green Bay man is now the first Wisconsinite to receive gene therapy for hemophilia A. The treatment is very new. It was approved by the FDA just last June. David Novak is a patient at the Hemophilia Outreach Center who received the infusion earlier today. He's the second person in the nation to receive this treatment. Hemophilia A is a genetic bleeding disorder that can have episodes leading to blood getting into joints, muscles, even the brain. Medical officials say the treatment isn't a cure for the disorder, but could reduce the need for weekly preventative care. Novak says he's excited to see how far medicine has come, and this new medical advancement gives him hope for the future.